Hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel DIY Repairs. Diwali is the festival of lamps, but the problem comes in keeping the lamps or candles lit on the roof of the houses. Due to heat generated by firecrackers on Diwali, the wind blows so fast that it is very difficult to light diyas or candles. Glass lamps or candles are available in the market which you can lit by keeping it in strong wind, but they are very expensive. So let's make a cheap candle today, which we can light on the roof of the house even in high wind. To make this, we need transparent plastic glass, which are available for 50 paisa. Apart from this, we need candle which are easily available in the market at very low prices. First, cut the candle in half lengthwise of the height of the plastic glass. We will melt the remaining candle and put it in this plastic glass and make the base of the candle. Place the candle in the center of the glass. We can also make it colorful by mixing color in it. Our candle is ready. Let's test it.